If you dey look us koro and you dey hear us whine, I be say you tanda gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, on top Star Times channel 195. Every weekday from Monday go reach Friday from 10 to 11. We dey carry topic where they come out smoke inside the Nigerian politic arrangement to discuss. For those of us wey look am from the start, una go see say me and Nkubi wear our school uniform, and any day when we wear school uniform, na talk when concern the leaders of tomorrow for inside this our Obodo Nigeria and Obodo the world, na him we dey discuss. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi. No need to talk say I know dey alone because una don see. Nkubi, over to you.
Yes, good morning, our viewers. Welcome to today's edition of As E Dey Hot. Today's matter dey very, very important. As Chukwudi don't talk, it get to do with our future leaders of tomorrow. That is people who go and trust leadership, hand over tomorrow. That is our children, them, our growing children, where we say, yes, we they send them go school, so go read, go study, so that tomorrow you go fill in the shoe of our leaders we did there today. So now what will they talk about today? Very, very important and sensitive issue. We call for concern. We call for government involvement. We call for everybody to also do it a chukma because if it's better for our children tomorrow, now at least now we get hand inside. And if somehow something go wrong, we go still ask ourselves question, where we get them wrong? Because we probably will not play a role where. So we go look into at least the dwindling issue where they between WAEC and then so about 19 governors we get issue with them over something which you could do. Go eventually tell us, yes, my name never still changed, my name now Nkubi, and this now As E Dey Hot.
On Monday, 27th day in the month of July, why those of us when we say carry good for this country, for mind they pray, say the meeting when Oga President go do with APC reps, when on they fight for about 48 days before that time, say they go finally settle their in-house quarrel. WAEC release shocker. WAEC release bombshell. WAEC release the one wey make people mouth open. Wetin WAEC talk? I make a break am down. WAEC na the West African Examination Council, that is the ogbonge joint body when we say for the region of West Africa inside the continent of Africa, they set exam for children when we say don't read from JSS1 go reach SS3 for them to know say yes, so I don't finish secondary school education. If I collect my certificate now to see I go to enter inside university. WAEC come out come talk say about 19 states inside this our country. Remember saying that 36 states we get. 19 states inside this our country, they owe 4 billion naira. Una know something of us if they call the money, we they show them so that una go know say the thing plenty. 4 billion naira. Now about 19 states they owe. And this one get to do with the registration fee for about 60,000 students when write WAEC. WAEC come talk say, if this state government no answer under 2 weeks, say they no go release the result, and they go put so many people inside a case of a goody because they go dey confused. The question when they ask students and say, how you go claim say you be governor? How you go dey happy say you dey lead state when we say education when they very, very important, you dey sit down as governor, yet you no fit pay money for WAEC. Nobody beg you to pay am o. You talk say you go pay am, or government accept to carry the thing for the shoulder because of say education dey very, very important as e dey open our eyes. Pay WAEC money, you no pay WAEC money, and you want to give excuse. Just like the governor of Zamfara State, when the APC governor and governor or leader of the Nigerian Governors Forum, Nkubi.
This is a national issue.
It's not a national issue because now 19 states they owe. And if we check this 19 states, I can tell you where they come from.
Of the federation. Mr. Charles will be the spokesperson of WAEC. Come and talk, say, he no mention any state. And how go take know the states where they involved?
But the governor
Hold on.
of Zamfara
Hold
State,
on.
when be chairman
Hold
of Governors
on.
Forum, when he dey give
Governors
excuse
Forum
why
in-
governors they owe, he
Chukwudi.
talk say like in state for example. So that one means say Zamfara State.
Thank God he say,
under the leadership
thank God
of
say,
Abdulaziz Yari, then they owe
Abdulaziz
WAEC.
will be the chairman of the governor forum wey come from Zamfara State. Thank God now chairman of the governors forum wey include other members of governors wey come from different
Zamfara they
political
owe, Abi Zamfara no they owe.
Chukwudi.
Zamfara they owe,
Wetin
Abi
be the
Zamfara no
reason
they
wey
owe.
Abdulaziz
According to
give?
the statement of Abdulaziz Yari,
talk say,
Zamfara they
look,
owe, Abi no they owe.
Abdulaziz talk say look
Abdulaziz na APC governor, Abi no be APC
he need to
governor.
know the authenticity of the amount before they no go just jump into say they won't pay any money. So you need to know how the money the where and where who and who the money involved when did they spend them on who and who write the exam. That is all this their researching make them know so that they will know say yes that money wey they wan cover to give WAEC say yes so na the real money be that.
Nkubi, you know the shame. You know the you know the shame for you to
This
come
governor-
out. The back governor when come out and say they don't know the exact amount when they owe WAEC. 60,000 students when this thing affect. They write WAEC, Abi, they don't write WAEC. WAEC not be profit-making organization. But we get people when we say they get supervisors, they get invigilators, they get people when we say that they work. How you no go fit pay money for WAEC?
Chukwudi, why they talk about
And
this?
you dey
Why they
emphasis
talk
on
about this?
education.
Una no get na whole state wey go hold. You want to say none of na state.
Nkubi.
I'm so happy if WAEC go fit release all the states when they hold this state. So we go fit. I think our next go fit open small. Wetin all this state dey
Before
talk?
WAEC release all the states, the chairman of the governors forum when come from Zamfara State, he don't admit say he own state they owe.
Thank God
Then they
say he
owe, Abi, they know
admit.
they owe.
He admit
Oh.
and he gave a reason for admitting. He gave a reason and na the reason I don tell Nigeria so. So Chukwudi, make we also find out who and who wey come from our own end.
Okay,
No dey use
Nkubi,
it.
the leader,
No dey ask my- no, it's not
the
because I
national
want to.
head. I must talk this one. I want
Talk
to
am but no talk to me.
Charles Eguridu, the national head of the commission, he come out. He talk am say, they don't go mention the states for now because of the period of grace when they give them. Say 2 weeks, or even they call it ultimatum. Say 2 weeks ultimatum. After these 2 weeks ultimatum, if you no come out, come pay this money, they go disgrace them for open. But the sad thing be say, they talk say they don't tell the governors them since. Make you remember, say this money when they owe, date as far back as 2014. So they carry gbese from last year. As people they shout Happy New Year, they use the gbese enter the new year. This man talk am say they first tell these states say abeg go. They write letter give them abeg go. Una dey owe us so how we go do am? Now only one state respond that is acknowledge say we see una letter and that acknowledgement come after 6 weeks. 6 weeks now, 1 month plus the half of the other month. Now they acknowledge say we dey owe, but till today they never pay the money. Nkubi, why will you put the future of this country, 60,000 students at risk? Because you know they owe. I don't blame them. Governor went for the whole salary of workers. No, he care about the future and he buy helicopter.
Wait.
I go mention. Before WAEC mention, I mention my own.
Before
WAEC mention, I mention my own. I know them.
Wait.
I get intelligence.
Wait. I don't allow you to make us say the talk. This
Never you tell me.
Welcome.
Never you tell me I'm making noise.
You are making noise.
Never you tell me I'm making noise. I'm speaking for Nigerian people.
I'm not
defending the
trying to
interests
tell
of ordinary
Nigerians
people.
how the matter take be.
You come there, they defend governor.
You know
Governor when come at us, that they
know the state.
Zamfara State they involved. Zamfara State they
If they
involved.
pay me say yes, say governors they owe, no doubt. If they pay me, and they also pay me say now the future of our own future leaders that they play with, it they hurt. But then Chukwudi for you to come out and claim say now we. How about you now? Find out from Charles Eguridu how many of the people were they involved. No, don't they throw everything, the whole fault here. Don't they throw to me. What's the meaning of all this?
Nkubi.
Don't come my name.
Nkubi.
Don't come my name.
Do your worst. Nkubi.
Don't come my name.
Nkubi. You go purge for here.
Chukwudi.
Nkubi.
It's not because I say I accept myself. Anyway.
You lucky say we know the right noisemaker. Because me and you don't wear the same uniform.
Chukwudi.
Because me and you don't wear the same uniform.
Chukwudi.
You know go allow us talk true on top of this show. You know go allow us talk true.
I don't talk say no be
But
true.
why you dey defend governors?
But don't throw
Why
it
you
to
dey
me.
defend
Don't
governors?
throw it to me. Make Nigeria feel say everybody wey dey owe the whole 19 states now from this end they come from.
Nkubi.
Don't make it that way.
Out of these
Don't
19, Nkubi, out of these 19 states when they owe,
One person don't come and talk. Say yes. Say he admit. But then, thank God, one person.
That one.
Make the others, make them shamefully come and talk. Their own.
That one when they owe.
You don't even know one person.
That one when they owe. Out of the 19. Which state he come from? Zamfara State.
And for your information,
Zamfara State.
For your information, let me also make it very clear to you. Some of these states have, some of these people are people we don't deal in government before. And when we say if we look at now same una own people we dominate them before. We dominated before.
Which people they which people they which people they
platform of this problem.
Which people they in government before?
Platform of this oil money now under our own regime.
Thank God
say now own governors now then carry over.
Thank God say President Goodluck. Thank God say President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. Don't he lose the election and he concede defeat. I dey very sure say therefore blame am say now he make them no fit pay. Just like the way when people chicken escape for December, then blame am say na he no fit pay. Person go dey quarrel with his wife, he go blame president say na the reason. Una no dey shame. Person go dey come and you dey give reason why you no fit pay.
19 states. 19 states.
Zamfara State.
19 states might involve Akwa Ibom, might involve anybody.
Might if you dey call all this thing, make we dey call Zamfara and 18 other states. Until we know that 18, this Zamfara
so
woman dey hammer. How governor wey be say in state dey owe, he no fit pay. He never even resign from governors forum. He never even resign from governors forum.
As long as you don't talk with you talk, if not good as I mention one state.
Zamfara and 18 other states. Zamfara and 18 other states.
You talk say make we never mention any state until we see them. Why you can't they throw the whole blame? Say now from her end.
But the Zamfara state governor.
Chukudi, don't they talk? See,
this na the first time. Na the first time in the history of the world. Make I take am. I go talk am. Na the first time in the history of the world when we say students go write exam. Maybe governor go talk say make they write exam on credit. WAEC no dey do exam for profit. WAEC no be university wey say dem organize post-UME and all those ones.
WAEC is a body wey dey guide the West African region. Exactly.
A credible body.
And I also say na money e go cost them to do it, to take print out and produce all the necessities wey they take to do it.
Tell your governors to pay now. Tell your governors to pay them.
Tell your own governors to pay them. Tell your own governors to pay. What is it?
Okay.
Tell your own governors to pay.
Nkubi, how many states they owe?
Chukudi, tell your governors to pay.
How many states they owe?
Tell your governors to pay.
How many states they owe?
Now so we take
answer my question.
Now so we take mention.
How many states they owe?
States with the whole salary. When they hold salary, when they hold their workers. You can't throw the whole blame. Say now our state to our state. When we come check out, how many of the states they there? Now no plenty pass.
Who could be?
Una no plenty pass.
As it take concern the owing of salaries.
Una no plenty pass.
The state when we say no even suppose they come out, they talk at all. Now state when we say they owe every level.
But when this matter,
that Abia state when you see so. Now workers for the teaching hospital now they owe. But Osun state, everybody now they owe. From messenger to gateman, from gateman to cleaner, from cleaner to
when they owe like almost more than 1 year. Talk about that.
Which people beg
Talk about that.
Which people beg
I just they don't be human beings.
Which people beg
they don't get family.
Which people beg
they don't get family.
Which people beg
they don't get home where they run. They don't get
how can 19 states no fit pay WAEC 4 billion? What did these governors that they take the money do? What did they take the money do?
Ask your governors.
It is very shameful.
Ask your governors.
Make
it is very shameful that most of the states where they also owe this money go just come out here, come they talk. Meanwhile, they never feel clean their own as well before they come and call they talk anyhow.
With confidence here, I dey mention Zamfara. Because the governor come and talk say for your own state, he agree. Mention any other state when they owe. That's why we say Zamfara and 18 other states.
The state governor will be the chairman of the governors forum. They try cover up the
chairman when they owe.
They try cover up the nation of every other governor to make everyone they talk for them. We also know say by the time all these things go come out, by the time all the entire governors when they owe go come out, you go say the men you go come from na end.
Who could be any teacher when he name they inside noisemaker? Na irresponsible teacher. For the chairman of the governors forum, to he no even shame. He come and talk say,
bad thing.
And say the excuse when they give. They won't know how much. They won't know how much.
Yes.
Who could be? Okay.
That was the reason he gave.
Who could be? Make a break.
That was the reason he gave. When
our governors under the governors forum, they hear. When our governors under the governors forum, that time when we say NLC come and say some states they owe. We can't see say about 26 states for Nigeria. They don't get financial K-leg.
Beautiful.
Our governors, our governors
when they throw the blame,
our governors
when we come see eventually
they come out with list.
Who will see?
They talk say federal government they owe us money. They can't even break down all the money wey
Who
federal
and
government dey owe
who
them.
and who eventually
How
pay for
can
the
the
lease?
governor of a state talk say him be governor of state wey get Ministry of Education and that particular Ministry of Education no know how many students register for WAEC? This one show say one way some of these governors dey use that WAEC dey chop money. Because if a governor dey come after a result after examination don finish say they wan know the exact people wey write the WAEC and they don dey write WAEC since, so e mean say the state Ministry of Education no know how many students dey write WAEC. Unkobi no be say parents no be pay for this WAEC. Wetin we dey talk be say government take am as their responsibility to pay for the education of children.
I no talk say governors don't take about their responsibility.
Why
Governors take their don't accept the responsibility. Yes, say they will give free education to students. No doubt, no doubt. But then when after the start of the fact say there are a lot of governors wey dey involved in this thing, and the fact say Mr. Charles come out, you know, mention names. Just one person come and talk, say, nah, okay, say in state somehow in state they involved, and they call the speaker behalf. No mean say the entire state wey they involved. Saying now this end the day. They talk
until we get to know the 18 other states. Until we get to know the 18 other states. This Zamfara when we don't know. When we chairman of the governors forum, we go continue to call his name so that we go mention the other people when they owe. How can governor they give excuse? You want give excuse why you owe WAEC? You talk say you want know the number of people when write the WAEC. How shame no catch you? You come and say you want know the number of people when write WAEC. Meanwhile when you complain say federal government they owe you, you bring out all the money say we build road, we build this road, we build that road. Federal government they owe us. That time the thing they very accurate. You know how much federal government they owe you before you collect bailout. Now you no come know how many students write WAEC for your state, then you should not be the governor. If the governor, when they preside over the Ministry of Education, State Ministry of Education, don't know how many students write WAEC.
Chukudi, I want to make you answer this question.
No, I don't answer any question. I don't answer any question.
Why no go?
How many states?
You dey run away
you
from
answer
question.
my own.
You dey run away from question.
19.
Make I ask you
which state we don't know that? Zamfara.
So
who be Zamfara
why
governor?
stress on Zamfara? Why not cry out to other states where they owe? Cry out to other states where they owe. Why must you also insist on Zamfara? Since Zamfara carry the whole blame for head.
Okay, thank you very much.
States. Throw the blame to other states and stop mentioning one state.
Allow me to cry out to the states when they owe.
Thank you. Cry out.
I beg.
The entire state will involve either PDP or APC.
Out of these 19 states when they owe.
Make una pay.
We won't try give una make una pay. Zamfara, when be one of the states where we know say you they owe. With the other 18 states when they owe. Make una pay WAEC. Zamfara, you say make I cry. Zamfara and 18 other states when they owe. Make una pay WAEC.
Emmanuel Nicholas, hold on.
They hear. Today you dey sweat. You want to defend governor. You want to defend governor when they owe WAEC. See the kind of excuse when he give.
Emmanuel, talk to us. Good morning. Mind yourself.
You go hear them.
Mind yourself. Good morning, Emmanuel.
Chukudi, Emmanuel the corner.
Well, talk to us.
Chukudi, wait now, me Emmanuel call. Wait till you.
No, I dey vex. Okay, Emmanuel, I dey vex. I'm defending the Nigerian students.
Talk.
Chukudi, wait till your own now. Wait, make I talk.
Scam.
You know, say you they tell me say you have soldier military experience.
Yes.
Me, my papa na soldier.
Yes.
So make you know they do that military thing for studio. Make I know meet you there.
Thank you very much. Okay, man, talk with Jare.
Wait till I want to talk for this WAEC matter. I blame the past government.
Thank you very much. We say now then dominate and pass. It's as simple as that.
Because this WAEC more they talk, maybe 2015 WAEC.
Oh.
Now 2013/2014.
Oh, okay, Emmanuel, thank you. Chukudi, they hear him.
And the government of those days, of the old, the PDP may put us for purgatory.
Thank you very much.
Now they make us they suffer like this. Go do wayo ojobo with WAEC, collect credit, and they don't pay now.
Okay, Emmanuel.
Let him to talk. Allow him talk.
Okay, Emmanuel.
Continue. Finish up your talk, Joe.
Chukudi.
Okay, Emmanuel.
Let her talk.
Okay, Emmanuel, you dey hear me? Wait, make I give her wetin go shock am now. Okay, Emmanuel, you dey hear me?
Chukudi.
You dey hear me, okay, Emmanuel?
Make you tell your people when they go pay this debt too.
It's as simple as that. Okay, Emmanuel, thank you very much for calling. Thank you very much for calling, Chukudi. It's as simple as that.
Nothing concerns federal government. Nothing concerns the government of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan with WAEC. Nothing concerns the government of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. Now states they owe. So government don't give them all the allocation when they get. If they don't pay, hold them responsible. Rotimi Amechi of Rivers State. Not be the former governor of Rivers State.
You know what I do?
Rochas Okorocha, not being the present governor and former governor of Rivers State. Oga Paul from Delta, you go hear them today.
You know what I do?
Oga Paul from Delta, good morning, sir.
Oga Paul, good morning. Paul, you did there, good morning.
Be like say we don't lose
Now
on
you're
that form.
screaming, now you pursue.
How person go dey give excuse say we don't know how many students write WAEC? It's not make shame. They even they catch you say we dey owe. See what they supposed to talk. We are owing. We are sorry. Forgive us. We are going to pay. You go come and say we don't know how many. We don't know how many students right. We go need to know. Meanwhile, when you want collect bailout money from federal government, you break down all the money when federal government they owe you because na good luck Ebele Jonathan. Now you don't know how much you dey owe WAEC. It's a shame. It's a shame.
Chukwudi, hold on. Chukwudi, hold on. Nobody need to blame the people. Yeah, of course, yes, they need to be blamed. Even if you get way to say yes, make them even sanction them. But then the point is, Chukwudi, there are a lot of states involved in this thing. Zamfara State.
But one of the states where we know,
So
when don't
why
come
you
out,
call
the
them-
governor don't come
Chukwudi.
and don't admit na Zamfara State. So we must mention
Chukwudi,
Zamfara
the way-
State and 18
Chukwudi,
others.
the way they carry this
Zamfara
issue.
State and 18
Let me make am
others.
very clear. The way they carry this issue, if they make a party,
Oh,
if they bring in party
may they come
statement.
collect the result of children
If
when
they
I
bring
WAEC.
in party
May they
statement,
destroy the
sir.
future of children when I
Zamfara State
WAEC.
governor na-
May
na-
they destroy
na
the
APC
future
man.
of children when I
That's why,
WAEC.
Chukwudi,
Oga Chukwudi, my name say
Throw
for
the whole
Nwere.
blame to the entire government.
Oga Chukwudi, my name say for Nwere. Oga Chukwudi, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Yes, the matter as it dey ground now, no be matter where anybody go. They want say you want protect in party.
Thank you
or
very
want-
much.
want to-
I don't. Nobody dey protect any party.
So why you can't they fight? Seven
Nah,
people cause Zamfara
na
State governor.
very serious
Because they make a
matter
party thing.
as it be so. Why on earth a governor go now want you? You see, people are supposed to pay this money on their own, but now
Thank you.
governor say they won't pay for them.
Thank you.
They won't use them do politics, win election.
Thank you.
Now after they don't win election, finish. To pay the money now, don't be wahala.
You don't have problem. Thank you.
And let me tell you something. This money now 4 billion naira, and the states where they own now 19 states.
19.
If you divide 19 states, if you divide 4 billion by 19 states, what it will give you around 211 million naira.
Oh,
Shame
one
on them.
state.
Oh.
shame on them.
Now in the
How
government,
much? How much
Zamfara
is
State pay.
211 million
From our
naira
own government.
for a
If na
state
party
not
you want
to pay
make am look like.
to WAEC? Now you are owing these people their mama salary, their papa salary. Now you want frustrate their pikin put on top.
Thank you.
What does that one mean? You want make we die one day for this country?
You see how
If you want
thank
the
you very much.
old
The
people
point
to
is,
die, you still want their children to die at the same time.
You dey hold their papa, you dey
My
hold their
brother,
mama.
this
no be
state
small
involved
thing,
should be
oh.
mentioned.
We'll go die one day, but I pray God no go make us die one day. In Jesus' name.
Oga Chukwudi,
Amen.
amen.
Amen. Thank you very
You
much.
dey
Oga
hold their
Chukwudi.
papa, you dey hold their mama. You want
dey
to destroy
hold
the future of the
your
children.
Abio-
You dey hold papa, you dey hold mama.
Chukwudi,
You want to destroy the future of
Chukwudi,
children.
Don't make this thing a party thing.
Not be matter of party.
That is what you are
Who
doing.
could be?
Now, what did they make
You
turn
not
am
fit
into?
deny. See, the governor
what
of
did they turn
Zamfara
am
State,
into?
when the chairman of governors forum, no suppose come out, talk, say, they won't know the number of students. How you going to give that kind of excuse, say you know WAEC, say you won't know the number of people where I WAEC? If you are a governor,
Oga
and you get
Michael is
Ministry of
calling us from
Education,
Yaba.
and
Good
you know
morning,
that
Oga
everywhere
Michael.
WAEC, then shame on you.
Shame on them. Don't
Simple.
say shame on me. Shame on them.
Them, you.
Them, you, Oga
You
Michael.
and them.
Oga Michael, good morning.
Abeg, I wan contribute for this.
Would they hear? Abeg, raise the your voice. Would they raise your
Okay, I
voice?
think I
up?
wan contribute for this matter today.
Okay.
The thing wey I wan contribute be say, you see, when it comes to education generally, na everybody's business.
Thank
Because
you.
any country wey be say educate their children, their youth, they actually build a prospective country in future. But if actually the government decided to toy with the education of their children and their youth, I believe na problem will come later. I beg, get question where I want to ask. The question where I want to ask is, say, before students go write WAEC, at least there is one money where they pay WAEC fee. Their parents, they pay WAEC fee.
Thank you,
That
Oga
money wey
Michael.
they pay, where the money they go, before the government now go come touch that particular money, use the money. Because like what you know they discuss now, it's not supposed to be party affairs. So. Now something we say concern.
I don't know why
Thank you very
I don't know why
much. Thank you very much.
I don't know why Uncle Victor to party affair.
But he's the
I
one
don't know why
calling
they
this a
shield.
party
I don't know why they shield governor.
He's the one.
I don't know why they shield governor.
Let him talk.
I don't know why they
Let
shield
Michael
governor.
talk.
Life, the education of children tomorrow. So now what every Nigerian is supposed to look at.
Yes.
What could they look at? How the thing will be. Because if
Yes.
you look at it, by the time they bastardize all the economy, the educational system, then which future leaders will go raise tomorrow?
Thank you very much.
I beg, Moku try. look
Oga
into
Michael,
particular
thank you
matters.
very
critical,
much.
very important.
Una hear wetin Oga Michael talk. If we continue this way, how we go take raise better leaders for tomorrow? Now one big note wey our leaders need to take be that. How we go take raise our leaders for tomorrow? If na dey do all people money anyhow. Laura, they call us from Lagos. Good morning, Laura. Laura, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Kubi. Oga Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning, Laura.
Now, wow, this team tire us, so they won't kill us for this country.
You see?
What did they do no good? The responsibility na state. State, now then supposed pay WAEC because now then say then go pay.
Now then say they will give free education.
Parents free pay. But they can't say, okay, parents, we want you pay for now. We won't pay for our children. When they no come pay, after they don't say they go pay. They just carry this thing, do campaign, and now they no fee pay. Federal government no get hand for this thing at all.
Ataya.
Now the states where they involved now we they talk about.
With Zamfara, number one.
They won't kill our children join too.
Madam Laura, you no go work for them. Thank you very much.
Madam Laura, thank you
Based on the contribution when Madam Laura
much.
don't drop, we go rush, enter break. When we come back, we'll continue this discussion.
It's a matter of quantity. See you. Don't mention Zamfara.
Oh, Papa, oh, Mama, oh,
mention
Waec.
other states.
Oh, Papa, oh, Mama, oh, Waec.
Imagine.
You can't give excuse.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.